after making all those sausages, there was no pork mince left. Well, maybe just a little bit.
Don't tell me this is the pork.
Yes, this is what the children left me.
No. You do a soup or something that perhaps with the soup.
No.
We will be happy.
What
with
actually
that.
I'm going to do, I'm going to make Orzotto. 150 grams of minced pork. That's what we need. The dish is like a pork mince risotto. But instead of rice, you use this lovely pearl barley. 1 small onion. Chopped. Finely.
Lovely olive oil.
Nice olive oil, bantered olive oil, I love it.
This is from Calabria. It's a very good olive oil there, you know.
It is indeed.
They produce quite a lot, but I think that they don't export a lot.
Oh, I love that music. Yes.
Lovely. You fry the
Let
onions.
it sweat. The difference of the sweat and not to burn, it is that when you're jogging, wow, you move, you start to sweat, you know. The one is burning when you stand under the sun and you get red like a pepperoni. Then you get the pork mince.
Yes.
Slowly. Put them inside. See, this stage, you still the meats. Now you have to seal them properly, but...
Yeah, but let it cook a little bit as well.
Oh, yeah, I'm look. Then you put the pearl barley and the foliage.
Pearl barley is a kind of superfood. It is full of B vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc.
Just a little bit more for me and you.
When I was a kid, we didn't do Twizzlers or nuggets. This is the kind of food we ate.
And keep stirring it. Because when it's nice and hot, I have to splash with a little bit of wine.
Here comes the splash of wine, yes? Ooh, lovely.
Here,
Yes.
I've already nice, very hot stock.
Yeah.
Can be a vegetable stock, can be a beef stock. Then you start to add nice hot stock. And keep stirring it. As soon as the stock is evaporated, you add more. And we'll cook it roughly about 25 to 30 minutes. And keep stirring it. You stir nice. Make sure you not get burned underneath. We're going to use a spinach as well.
Yes.
This should be enough for me and you?
Yes, enough.
Okay? Not too thin. The reason why, because if too thin, they almost disappear.
Another few minutes.
You know what?
2 minutes.
At this stage, I will put the spinach inside.
Yeah.
Quick stir.
That cat reminds me a little bit of you, then, Gennaro.
What do you mean remind me a little bit
It's
of me?
fat.
Have you never looked to yourself?
I lost weight myself.
Yeah, when?
As well. Look at this.
Remember, the wine you use for cooking, this is the wine you have to drink. There is no such cooking wine.
If you put a good wine in the dish,
You get the best.
take it out as well.
Olive oil. Let's cream it.
Yeah, the smell is wonderful.
Look at the way it's creaming up. Creaming, then it goes all round the barley. Yeah,
It makes an emulsion.
makes an emulsion. Okay.
Looks good. And no cheese here.
There is no cheese.
It looks very good.
Lovely extracts of the parsley on top. Come on.
The flavor is fantastic.
Say no more.
Orzotto con maiale. Make sure you give it to the kids. Like Antonio, they will love it.